In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickChart in N8N. If you've ever needed clean, shareable charts straight from your automations, this will walk you through it in a clear, simple way. First, head to your N8N instance and open the editor. You can use a local setup or a hosted one, either works the same. Make sure you're on the workflow canvas so you can start building. Next, create a new workflow. Give it a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Think of this as the container where your chart generation will live. Keeping workflows organized makes troubleshooting and reuse much easier down the road. Now, search for the QuickChart node. Use the node picker and type QuickChart, then add it to your canvas. This node connects to the QuickChart service under the hood and generates images using Chart.js configuration, so you don't have to write code from scratch. Once the node is added, you'll see a chart type to choose. Pick the type that best fits your data storybar, and line charts are great for trends and comparisons, while pie or donut charts are better for simple proportions. If you're unsure, start with a bar chart. It's versatile and easy to read. You'll also see a place to define labels. Labels are the categories or points along your axis, like months, product names, or steps in a process. Keep them short and consistent. A helpful tip: the number of labels should match the number of data points you plan to provide, so everything lines up correctly. Then, input your data and decide on the output format. Enter your dataset values to match your labels. You can add multiple datasets if you want to compare series, such as current versus previous period. For output, the node can return a direct image URL or binary image data. A URL is handy for embedding in emails or dashboards, while binary is great if you plan to store the image or pass it along within the same workflow. When you run the node, you'll get the generated chart right in the execution output, so you can quickly confirm it looks right. There are also options in the chart to customize the look and feel. Adjust width and height for the right aspect ratio, set a background color, and tweak titles, legends, and grid lines for clarity. If your chart will be viewed on high-resolution screens, increase the pixel ratio for a crisper image. Keep colors accessible and avoid overcrowding with too many categories. That's it. Configure type, labels, data, and options, and you've got a polished chart generated automatically in N8N.